Fresh tensions have emerged in the Middle East after Iran warned it would respond with force to any threat against its people or leadership. Iranian Foreign Minister Abbas Araghchi took to social media platform X, declaring that Tehran would deliver an immediate and powerful response to any aggression. In a strongly worded post, Araghchi also claimed that U.S. President Donald Trump had committed the United States to restraining Israel. He warned that if Israel ignored Washington's position, Iran would school them, a remark reflecting the sharp rhetoric between the two longtime adversaries. The warning came after Israeli Defense Minister Israel Katz reportedly said that Iran's supreme leader, Mojtaba Khamenei, had been marked for death, further inflaming tensions between the two countries. The exchange comes despite ongoing diplomatic efforts to stabilize the region. According to sources familiar with the discussions, U.S. and Iranian officials held technical talks in Doha, Qatar, on Wednesday. The discussions are focused on ensuring the continued flow of commercial shipping through the strategically vital Strait of Hormuz and securing a more durable ceasefire following weeks of military confrontation. The Strait of Hormuz remains one of the world's most critical maritime choke points, with nearly a fifth of global oil supplies passing through the narrow waterway. Any disruption could have significant consequences for global energy markets and international trade. While diplomatic channels remain open, the latest war of words underscores how fragile the situation remains, with a single incident capable of reigniting broader conflict across the region. For now, diplomacy continues behind closed doors in Doha. But with both Tehran and Jerusalem exchanging increasingly sharp threats, the challenge for negotiators will be preventing the rhetoric from turning into another military confrontation.
Drop your thoughts concerning this video. Let's know what you think. And don't forget to follow me on this channel by subscribing. Hit the like button and turn on the bell so that anytime I publish the next video, you will get notification. I really appreciate your time for watching. Bye.